Hello guys, welcome to your language and grammar class. Today we will make a short review about pages 94, 95 and 104. Let's get started. Page 94, exercise 16. Look at these pictures. Here you have to label the pictures with the verbs in the box. So number 1, what is this boy doing? He is jumping. Number 2, what is this boy doing? He is eating. Number 3, what is this girl doing? She is sleeping. And number 4, what is this boy doing? He's throwing. Next, we have to match these pictures with the sentences in the middle, whether they are exercise or if they are not exercises. For example, number 1, is jumping an exercise? Yes. Number 2, is eating an exercise? No. Number 3, is sleeping an exercise? No. And finally, number 4, is throwing an exercise? Yes, it is. Very good. Let's move on. Exercise 16, page 94. Draw an exercise, then write. In this page, you have to draw an exercise in the square. You can draw jumping, you can draw riding. Then you have to make your drawing. Very good. Then you have to label it. I am swimming. Very good. Now pay attention. Exercise 18, page 95. Listen and number. Here you have to listen to your teacher, looking at the pictures of the boys doing some activities at the park. Let's go with number 1. She is jumping the rope. She is jumping the rope. Is this boy jumping the rope? No. Is this girl jumping the rope? Yes. So we write number 1. Number 2. He is riding. He is riding. Is this boy riding? Yes. So we write number 2. Number 3. They are running. They are running. Are these boys running? Yes. So we write number 3. Now, listen to your activity. Number 1. She is singing. She is singing. Number 2. He is throwing a ball. He is throwing a ball. Number 3. They are skating. They are skating. Number 4. She is catching a ball. She is catching a ball. Number 5. He is eating. He is eating. And finally, number 6. They are swimming. They are swimming. Now let's talk about these, that, these and those. Exercise 19, page 95. Look and match. Remember that we use the word this when we have one object that is near. In this case, one apple, near, we say this apple. When the object is far, for example, one apple, far, we say that apple, that apple. When we have two objects near, we use the word these. For example, these apples. When we have two objects far, we use the word those. For example, those apples. Now let's practice. Exercise 19, page 95. Look and match. Number 1. We have two dolls near. So we match it with the word these. Number 2. We have two dolls far. So we match it with the word those. Number 3. We have one car near. So we match it with the word this. And number 4. We have one car far. We match it with the word that. Very good. Now let's talk about have and has. Remember, we use the word have when we have I. In this case, I have an apple. We use the word have when we talk about you. For example, you have a ball. We use the word have when we talk about they, boy and girl. For example, they have a plane. Now let's talk about has. We use the word has when we talk about one boy. In this case, he. He has a car. We use the word has when we talk about a girl. In this case, she. She has a doll. Let's practice. Exercise 1, page 104. Look and circle. Look at these sentences. You have to answer it correctly. Let's go with number 1. What does he have? He have or has a ball. Remember, we use the word he with a boy, so the right answer is has. He has a ball. Number 2. What do you have? You have or has a car. Remember, we use the word you when we are talking to someone. So the right answer is have. You have a car. Number 3. What does she have? She have or has a doll. Remember, we use the word she when we talk about a girl. So the right answer is has. She has a doll. Now let's practice. Exercise 2, page 104. You have to write have or has, and then you have to match. Let's go with number 1. I have or have a pizza. As I use the word I have to say have. So I say I have a pizza. Number 2. You have or have a juice. As I use the word you, the right word is have. Number 3. She have or has an ice cream. As I use the word she, the right answer is has. She has an ice cream. Now you have to match these sentences to the pictures. Number 1. I have pizza. Number 2. You have a juice. Number 3. She has an ice cream. Very good. That was all for today, guys. Thank you.